Today I will tell those basic practice of Ayurvedic and yoga through which several infected patients being cured successfully from corona and similar types of infection.
In your daily diet, add milk, fiber, vitamin C, antioxidant foods like tomatoes, lemon, etc., garlic, turmeric powder or haldi which is having antiseptic properties. Take herbal tea.
Friends, as we all are suffering from the corona time, I am going to tell you one of the useful kada recipe. First of all, keep 2-3 cup of water in a pan and keep it on a burner. Kindly keep the flame low. Simultaneously, you can take 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, grinded cinnamon and ginger, some tulsi leaves.
Do not forget to add 10 to 12 long cloves and tej patta leaves, which are antiseptic and antibiotic in property.
And then all the useful herbs. Leave this pan on the low flame for 30 to 45 minutes. Now open this lid and see the color of the water has been changed. Now switch off the flame and see the kada is ready for use. See, the kada is ready.
Three basic pranayam which can be done in daily routine healthier for all over body are Bhastrika, Anulom Vilom and Kapalbhati. To start, take position of Dhyan Mudra. Inhale and exhale slowly. Take breath and release it in 2.5. Stomach contracts and relax normally. Kapalbhati Pranayam is a purification process in which maximum CO2 of body goes outside and body tissues filled with fresh oxygenated blood. Due to this, a glow appears on the face and skin. Alternate breathing from right and left nostril. Pranayam regulates body temperature, affects nervous system, due to which improves memory, eyesight, helpful for migraine and in depression. Take breath and release it in 2.5 seconds.
To make internal body organs strong, make position of Namaskar Mudra. Now raise your hands in upward direction. Take breath. Now move your hands to the lower direction. Release breath. Touch ground with the palm and try to touch knee with the forehead. In the fourth step, take breath. Move your left leg to the backward direction. Look upward and straight. Now bring your right leg to the backward. Raise your back to the upward position in a mountain shape form. Lie down, keeping hands in the side with normal breath. In the next step of Bhujangasana, take breath. Raise your hands and chest to the upward direction. Now in 8th step, take the position of Parvat Asana. Move your left leg to the forward direction, keeping both the palms. In the next step, bring your right leg. Raise your hands to the upward direction above the head. Take breath. Bring your hands in the Namaskar Mudra. These 12 steps affects all organs and glands of body, provides strength, flexibility, immunity, vitamin D with oxygenated blood to body. Those persons who cannot practice Surya Namaskar due to weak body or BP problems, Bhujang Asana can prove to be very helpful.
As we already know, This COVID 19 affects the human lungs, and those people whose immune system remains weak or having
Asana can prove to be very helpful. To make internal body organs strong, make your thought process and lifestyle positive and healthy because stress and depression is the key factor to affect every body organ parts.